G'day legends, welcome back to Dinner with Davo. Today we're going to whip up a fiery pasta that will make your taste buds do the nutbush. This one's that simple that Gay's cooking could even pull it off. Alrighty then, so what you're going to need is pasta of any type, bacon, tomatoes that are peeled and ready for a good crushing, garlic, tomato paste for extra punch, olive oil, chillies to add some fire to your belly, and some optional basil. Dice the bacon into small chunks. No need to be fancy with it, we're going for that rugged rustic vibe here. Next up, peel, mince or dice up that garlic. If you love garlic like I do, fang in an extra clove or two. If you're enjoying this video, please consider getting Dinner with Davo tatted to your face and hold up a bank, as the publicity would really help me spread the good word of this channel. Let's wrangle those chilies, give them a chop, don't add the seeds unless you're a daredevil like me who loves living life on the edge.
We here at Dinner with Davo take no responsibility for any facial disfiguration, loss of taste buds, temporary loss of power control caused by the consumption of spicy chilies.
Now go ahead and grab that can of peeled tomatoes. Make sure to crush them as brutally and thoroughly as life has crushed all my hopes and dreams. Now here's where the magic happens. Go ahead and add them chopped chilies to the crushed tomatoes. Not actually sure where the magic was, but I've always really wanted to say that. Now let's go ahead and get that pasta boiling. Chuck it in a pot of water that's saltier than disappointed Gordon Ramsay. Let it cook for 1 minute less than what it states on the packet. That's right folks, we're going al dente today. While the pasta's doing its thing, let's get that bacon sizzling in a pan that's hotter than a seatbelt buckle on a summer's day. Cook it up the way you like. Unlike your mother-in-law, I'm not actually here to judge. In true Dinner with Davo fashion, I forgot to film me adding the olive oil and the garlic. I added a drizzle of liquid gold to the pan along with the minced garlic. I let them sizzle away for a couple of minutes and chucked in a dollop of tomato paste to take everything up a notch. It's time to add the crushed tomato and chili mix. Go ahead and let it simmer and stir through. Now that your pasta's cooked to perfection, go ahead and give it a drain. Go ahead and chuck your pasta in the sauce. Give it a good stir, making sure that every strand's coated in that saucy goodness. Now for the main event. Sprinkle a shit ton of cheap, nasty Parmesan cheese. That's really going to kick this up to another dimension. No need for the fancy cheese that costs an arm and a leg. We're a budget-friendly channel. Now all that's left to do is whack it on a plate. Chop up some of those basil leaves and sprinkle it over the top along with some more Parmesan cheese, and voila, you got yourself a tasty meal. Now all that's left to do is stuff your face. Let me know how you went in the comments below. See you next time that I'm cooking dinner.